What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Check it out, guys. Got a 2016 Mustang ROUSH Stage 2. It's absolutely beautiful. Just really clean. He just bought it last Monday. It's not even a week. He's like, I gotta get exhaust on it and it is the RS2 edition. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. So you can tell it's already got something on it. And the sound. Here's sound decibels. So it's already at 117. So we're gonna make it even louder. We're gonna straight pipe it. Why not? Stay tuned. So these Roushes, guys, that's what they look like stock. I'm gonna let you see them. Stock muffler there, stock muffler there. But you see how they did it? There's one pipe that goes into the muffler and it goes straight through. And then the second pipe goes and chambers it a little bit to make it quieter. If you look inside, look. See how one is all the way through and then the other one is not. All right, that's why they did this setup. Crazy setup. But anyways, that's why it's so loud. And there's the resonator that goes on this. And there's the stock 2 cats that are on.
All right, guys, we got a 2016 Mustang ROUSH Stage 2. What we got done on it, factory converter is there and there. Comes down factory flex pipe into an X pipe. Did a resonator delete with the X pipe, straight pipe. And then did a rear delete right there and right there. New quad tips right there and right there. It's nice, looks clean. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the old resonator we cut off there, and the old mufflers and the old tips and everything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hit 124 a second ago. 123, that's close enough. Go ahead and back it out. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Mustang ROUSH Stage 2, X pipe, straight pipe,